Well, good afternoon, Matthew.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Good.
So, today we're going to do a lesson on telling time. Do you remember how to tell time? You sure you remember? All right, let's review, okay? So, can you tell me what is AM? What does AM mean?
Early.
Early. What else does it mean? Can I give you a little hint? What time do you go to school? In the morning or in the afternoon?
Morning.
Right. So AM is morning, right? And it also means anytime between midnight and 11:59 a.m. Okay? What does PM mean?
Late.
Late. Good. What else does it mean?
Night.
Night. Good job. And also it means anytime between 12 p.m. and 11:59 p.m. Right? So are you understanding what AM and PM means, the difference?
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell me what's the difference between an analog clock and a digital clock? Do you know what those words mean?
No.
No? All right. Well, that is what we are going to learn today. So what is an analog clock and what is a digital clock? A digital clock looks like something like this, where it tells you the numbers. You know, when like on your phone, on a tablet, or just a clock where it has the numbers, right? And it tells you exactly if it's 8:30, 8:31, and maybe sometimes it'll say if it's AM or PM. A digital clock, well, that's a digital clock, right? An analog clock will look something like this. You know how you have in the classroom up on top? It may have all the numbers, 1, 2, 3, and it goes all the way around, right? And it has the little hand and the big hand. Or it can be a little different where maybe it'll just have little dots around. Or it can have different numbers. They're called Roman numbers. And it's just the little lines. So that's another type of an analog clock. Can you tell me what the little hand points to?
9.
Well, does it point to the hour or the minutes?
The hour.
The hours. And the big hand?
Minute.
The minutes. Good job. So do you want a little more help for what the time means?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're going to do a practice, okay? So here's some practice ones that we're going to do just to remind you, just to get a little extra. So if Max wakes up at 8 a.m., where is the little hand going to point to?
8.
8, right? And the big hand?
12.
12. And lunch is at 12 p.m. Where is the little hand and the big clock going to point to?
12.
12. Right? And then the next question is, what time is Max's dinner?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Why do you know that? Why do you say that? What's pointing to what? Can you tell me? Can you show me on here on the paper?
The big hand is pointing to the 12, and the little one is pointing to the 4.
And if the big hand is pointing to the 12, what does the 12 mean? What does that mean?
0, 0.
0, 0. And do you have dinner in the morning or at night, Matthew?
Morning.
You have dinner in the morning? Night in the afternoon, right? So what would it be, AM or PM?
PM.
PM, good job. So tonight for homework, you're going to get a worksheet. And you're going to tell me between I do homework in the morning or at night. I have breakfast in the morning or at night. I have lunch in the morning or at night. Or maybe right in the middle of the day. Right? Okay. Thank you, Matthew.